Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Pokrifty. So for the people who are using a Mac at home for working on the Middlebury courses, what you need to know is that you should not use Safari because Safari doesn't work with Middlebury. So that will give you that blue screen and ask you for a username and password. So what you need to do is either use Google Chrome or Firefox, and you will see that you will be in the bar, the upper bar where you have the address. When you log into one section with Middlebury, you will be asked to accept the external cookie, the third cookie parts, and once you accept those cookies, everything is going to be fine and you will be able to work on your Mac. I know for sure because I have a Mac myself and I did this at home and now it works just fine. So if you still have some troubles, let me know and we can work individually. Okay? Bye.